Alright. So, well, yeah, I know. I haven't posted in 3 weeks. But it's fine. We're gonna play some horror games. Yay! This is Shinkansen Zero. You don't know what that is? It's a bullet train, basically. Let's go. Why does it say continue? I totally did not play this. Let's do this. I've seen it on YouTube before, but I don't really remember. We have this bathroom. Let's go. 7. Okay. Okay, what does it say? This is Shinkansen Zero. Headed to Tokyo. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Oh, there goes my shadow. I wanna see my face. Wait, scoot a bit. Ah, dude. Nice try. I wanna see my shadow one more time. Hello, sir. Kid. And your sister, is sleeping. Dude, talk to me. Okay, whatever. Just gonna keep going. Turn back if there is an anomaly. Okay. Is there any anomaly? I don't see anything. I think we go.
こんにちは。
Hi, kid.
何してるの？
Thank you for the translation, because I don't know Japanese. I don't know.
また会ったね。
Yeah, looks like it.
お兄さんもゲームをしに来たの？
What game?
僕めっちゃ楽しみ。
What do you mean you're super excited? I'm not.
お姉ちゃんが起きないから暇なんだ。
Then jump ice water on her.
いくら待っても。
No,
すっ
just jump.
ごく待っても起きないんだもん。でもお兄さんがゲームしてくれるから、もう大丈夫。
No.
ゲームのルールは知ってる？
No. Oh wait, I just read it, so I think I'm good.
僕をからかおうとしてるね。ルールはとっても簡単だよ。変わったことがあったら戻る。ゲームを終わらせる方。それは、0号車まで行ってその先の運転室でブレーキをかけるだけ。トイレの車両は変わったことは起こらない。もう一回説明する？
Got it. Yeah.
よかった。じゃあ後で。
Down here, you got goodbye. I don't know what's your name. Here we go, bro. Anomalies. What do we got? 7. Oddly weird. This looks like it has a face. I think I'm just gonna go back just in case. But I think we should go there. There's a guy right there. That's a little weird. Wait, we're going backwards? Oh, that's not normal. Okay, I'm going. Yep, something fell off. What? I don't know if you guys see this, but the train's kind of flipped. For sure there's an anomaly. The freak? Okay. There. I got chills. Alright, let's do this. And dude, is it all anomalies? Now you're standing up. Oh, you look. Go at my eyes. Wait. How does this make sense? Ma'am, you're a ghost. Oh, wait, my face. Oh, I saw my face, only my mouth. Obviously, I'm going back. Now, if the next one's obvious, then this is easy than Ads. Are you good? like I heard something. Ma'am, wake up. Wake up. You're in a bullet train. Bro, I don't see anything wrong. Dude, I got goosebumps all over me. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna go with yes, there's nothing. Anomaly. Oh, please be an obvious anomaly. Oh, okay. Everything looks good. Sir, why are you sleeping with your eyes open? Honestly, makes no sense. If you sleep with your eyes open, you're creepy. Bro, this is making me so. Dude. Thank you. People here make me safe. Feel safe. Let's go. Please, bro, I did so good. Okay. 0. I made it. Okay. Now, this is the big decision. Is there an anomaly or not? Please be an obvious one. Please be an obvious one. Please be an obvious one. I don't want to go through struggles. Lady, you make me feel safe, okay? And that sir over there too. Please, something obvious. Please. I need this. Oh, bro, dark story at 7. Come on, bathroom look. Walk. Come on. Where's the toilet flush? I can't. Please, I'm good. No! Okay, everything seems good. Nothing out of the ordinary. Anything wrong? Everything looked good. I think everything's good for this first round. Guys. Nope. No. You guys see this? What the freak? Oh my god, I'm out. Please. Facing me? It's not, it's just watching me. That's creepy. It's one of chillest art, so it's always the creepiest. Please. That was an anomaly for sure. Sir, is there anything wrong? Oh my god, my heart was racing. Cause bro, I feel like I'm gonna get a jump scare any moment. Good sir. Oh my gosh. Is it around my house? But I feel like I heard whisper. No! I actually hear whisper. No, I wonder if you guys can hear I'm just going crazy. That ain't normal. Oh no. Okay. 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 We did it. We did it. I'm not that scared anymore. Got this. We got this. Nah, if there's gonna be a monster freaking comes out of nowhere. Please! Oh my god. I don't like how you're flickering. Are you attracted to that guy right there? Or what? Oh my god. But look at this. Brother, wait. Wait. That is glass. How do you... Okay, I'm out. Come on, please. No anomalies. I beg for mercy, please. I beg for Percy Jackson mercy, please. I don't know. You're gonna be this lady waking up, start chasing me? Or this just saying something creepy? Who knows what it's gonna be? My thoughts on this train? I think it's normal. Bro, if I mess this up again, I'm gonna cry. Please. Please. No! What? You gotta be kidding me! Oh, that sucks. I'm probably gonna cut, honestly, the part where I actually get a little close. Ma'am, you cannot. Nah, bro, this is gonna be my thumbnail. This is gonna be my thumbnail. Please, I need this. Okay, good. Speed run. Man, I suck at. I can't find anything. What the freak? Is that new? Oh, I think that's just always there. Okay, everything. Okay. This is the final one. Okay. Hope there's an anomaly. Okay. Nothing. So far. Please protect me. Wait. Guys, I'm not tripping, but if you see right there, okay, I'm not tripping. I am tripping. I thought I saw something else. Please, bro, please. Leave the anomaly right now. Don't care if it has to kill me. But no, I don't really want it. Please, I want an anomaly or not. Make it obvious. Please, I don't want to lose. Dude, that would suck if I do. Dude. Oh, that would suck. Horrible. Okay. Double check. I'm gonna go one more time. Nothing out of the ordinary. Gosh. You, Mr. Cat. Mr. Whiskers. Good. Okay. We're good. Do you have anything in your hands? Why do you sleep? Whatever. Please. I need this. Please. Yes! Yes! I did it! Okay. Is there anything wrong? I don't think there's anything wrong. Oh, freak!
本日は新幹線をご利用いただき、誠にありがとうございます。ただいま当列車におきまして、線路上での接触事故がありましたので、安全確認のためしばらく停車いたします。運転再開におきましては、現在見通しが立っておりません。本日はお急ぎのところ、誠にご迷惑をおかけいたします。Attention please. We have stopped momentary due to one injury. There is no plan for the train to stop at this moment. Please excuse the delay.
Whoa! What? My eyes! Huh? Oh. Wait, we're still in the game? Oh my god! Dude, did you just take a dookie? You just stretched like you just... I just took a dump, I'm done.
お兄さんすごいね。
Yeah,
成功したんだね。
looks like you made it. Yeah,
キョロキョロしてどうしたの？もしかしてここが運転室になってるって思った？冗談はよしてよ。新幹線にはグリーン車があるんだよ。お兄さんなら知ってるよね。それはね、僕が0号車の次、0号車っていうのは、まあ確か、それはそう変わったことがなかったら戻るんだよ。
What? There's more? Now it says when you find an anomaly, go forwards instead of walking back.
3回間違えるとお化けが来るから気をつけ。僕はお兄さんを応援してるよ。
What ghost?
ね、お兄さん。なんで僕たちはなんか変だなって思わない？
Wait, what do you mean?
いや、とりあえずゲーム。じゃあまたね。
No! Alright, guys. Well, let's do this.